Hey Banners, it's me from Elamine, and today I'm here to show you how to make a super cute and easy, here it is, a DIY banner. Make sure to stay to the end of the video to see how it looks on my wall, but it is a DIY banner like the one I had on my wall in my room tour. So if you'd like to learn how to make one of them, then just keep watching. All you're going to need to make this super cute and easy banner are some Sharpies or any kind of markers or drawing utensils, some paper, some string to hold your banner together, some scissors, and a hole puncher. Let's get to it. To start off, all you are going to need is your scissors and your paper. And what you're going to do is you are going to cut the shape of the banner you want out of the paper. I stacked all of my papers on top of each other and then just cut it out like that. There are probably easier ways to do this, but I just did it my way. For step number 2, all you're going to need to do is take all your drawing utensils and just start writing and coloring whatever you want on each individual banner. For step number 3, you're going to take a hole puncher, or I used one of the 3 hole punchers and just used one of them since I couldn't find a normal hole puncher, and you're just going to hole punch 2 little circles at the top of the banners. And I again stacked all of mine up and did it that way. For step number 4, you are going to take a piece of string or yarn or some kind of long piece of something to hold all the banners together, and it has to be fairly thin so you can fit it through your holes, but I just took like a kind of piece of twine and I'm going to put it in and out of the little circles. So here's the end result of my banner, and I thought it looked really good, and I bet yours will too. So much for watching this tutorial. I hope you loved how to make this DIY banner. And one little thing I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to be doing as many DIYs as I have been. I'm going to be doing some more skits and challenges and hauls and some more stuff like that. So if you want to see another DIY and I haven't done one in a while, go ahead and comment in one of my videos and just say what I should do, and I will totally do it for you guys. I love you all so much, and I just love you guys all so much. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Subscribe to become a beaner. Comment down below what videos or skits or hauls or challenges or reviews I should do next. Again, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! I love you all so much, and I just love you guys all so much.